ganito. Okay. Okay, hold on. Hi, welcome again, guys. So we saw another opening from Facebook. Okay, nakita ko to sa Facebook, and as a mom of two who's looking for a new job opportunity, I'm really scrolling sa Facebook and other platforms to see more opportunities. And I'm sharing it here sa platform na to, so that other solo moms or solo parents or kahit sinong gusto mag-BA can go with me in this journey. So yeah, I saw another post on Facebook. Roles nila. By the way, this company is Hopla. Hopla. Hopla Careers. I actually searched it online, and ito yung page nila for the careers, like for the Hopla VAs or Hopla remote workers. And this one naman is yung website nila for the client's view. And if you go further pa sa page nila, you will see this Hopla Careers. Para siyang online jobs, diba? Or Upwork. And the thing is, hindi lang siya in dollars. Hindi siya per hour. And hindi natin nakikita kung kailan na-post yung mga job roles na to. So, going back to the post, ito yung mga open roles nila. No? Accounting, marketing, sales, operations, recruitment, and admin, and of course, the data analytics and IT. So, yeah, marami. And if you click here, or scan the QR code, you will go to their application form. So, yeah, just fill in yung mga necessary details and check the device requirements. And I think this one is important if you have a BPO experience. On my case, I had a BPO experience bago pa ako mag-VA noong 2015. So I said yes. And so the position I'm applying for is the operations and support operations manager because dito ako ma-experience for the past 5 years. Yeah, and my question is if you're comfortable using a time tracker. So I put yes. No worries with me. And also they also added this part that you have to send an updated PDF resume to this email address. So yeah, pag nagawa na natin to, then I will click yes and hit submit. So yeah, but on your end you can check further ano ba yung naman ng Hapla online na to, and if it really works for you. If you want to explore more job opportunities remotely, and or if you want to switch from BPO career and work online na lang to be with your family, so maybe this is your sign na. I am not affiliated with Hapla Online. Hindi ko sila kilala. Actually, nag-scroll lang ako sa Facebook. So, why am I sharing this is because I want to, of course, update my solo parents. Nasaan na ba tayo? And kung sino man yung mga may gusto dyan mag remote work, ano, you will get an idea saan ba natin pwede makuha itong mga clients na to online. Yeah, aside sa LinkedIn and online jobs, Upwork, meron din mga ganitong klaseng platforms or teams na pwede natin makita sa Facebook. Sometimes sa TikTok meron din. So yeah, if it works for me, I will give you an update. Para, syempre, na-try ko na muna. I think, for me, based sa mga nakikita ko, and if we also check further, Hopla review. Yeah. So, meron naman doon. Sa naman, uy, very interesting. Tingnan natin ito. Yeah. Okay, interesting yung nakita natin sa online, nakalagay dito, December 1, 2025, by Anonymous. Female Filipino managers here are really picky, possibly insecure. Uy, grabe naman. Oh, nakaban, oh. Okay, toxic company. Meron palang mga ganito. Meron din naman mga good feedback. Responsive, they empathize with you get what you work for, feeling incredibly grateful to Hopla for the amazing work from home setup. So yun, meron din namang mga masasaya. So it's up to you na lang kung paano mo siya i-weigh, try mo ba. For me, I guess, itatry pa rin. Yeah, ba? Tignan natin dito. Meron din sa Reddit. May pros and cons din dito. Okay, meron ding AI overview ni Gemini. Hopla online reviews are mixed, highlighting great remote work, flexibly, supportive culture, and good pay for some, but others cite issues with unprofessional management, micromanagement, long hours, and lack of accountability for a toxic environment. Okay, so this is from the AI na, and the source of AIs are coming from World Wide Web talaga. Kung ano ang nasa search online, yan din ang source ng AI. Okay? So, yeah. Ita-try pa rin ba natin? For me, yes. Ita-try ko pa rin. But if I find some other opportunities, ita-try ko pa rin yan. Okay, do not put all eggs in one box. In one basket, sabi nga nila. So, yeah. How about you? Are you going to try applying at Hopla? Or are you already working at Hopla? If you are, so you can comment and say what you think about this company. Yeah, and thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.